aking isip na para bang shoutout guys, another song tayo. So ulap ang title ng kanta at ang kumanta nito ay si Kiyog, Goodies Sugunatita, itong si JRLDM, ewan ko kung anong pronunciation ng idol natin, at si Allison. So lagay ko lang link ng kanta sa music video nila, ulap ang title ng kanta nila. So 4 chords lang ginamit natin dito, 4 chords lang, acoustic version. So start tayo agad, diretso na. So chords, basic bass na G. And then second chord guys, ibaba lang ng dalawa, C add 9. So G, then baba lang, C add 9. Okay, baba lang no, same lang position. Okay, baba lang itong dalawa. And then E minor 7, so itong dalawa pa rin, wala dito, then lagay dito. Okay, so G, C add 9, then lagay dito, E minor 7. So hold na itong dalawa, hold pa rin, itong dalawa lang. And the last chord ay A7. So wag natin i-remove itong pinakababa, then ganito lang. So mula dito, then medyo mahirap na sa iba no, isa lang dito, isa. Pwede namang buo na lang A minor 7, A minor 7. Pero kung kaya, lagyan itong isa dito. Ito, third fret mo dito, then first string. So ganito, lagay dito. So mula dito, A minor, then ganyan. Pero kung di kayang ganito, pwede remove lang. Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Kung di kaya yung sinabi ko, pwedeng magbuo ng A minor 7. Okay? At ang sound naman ganito, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, pinagsabayan natin na down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So, yung sinabi ko, pwede naman buo na lang. Remove ito. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, then pasok ng kanta. Lalaro ang aking down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, sorry, down, up, down, up, down. Na, na, na. Kung kaya, balagyan ito isa. Pwede man ito guys, G, then C, pwede buo C, kung hindi nyo gusto ganito. Then E minor buo, kung hindi nyo gusto ganito, E minor 7, pwede E minor buo. At buong A minor. So pwede lang ganyan no, G, C, E minor, at A minor. So play natin ha. Down, at C, down, up, down, up, down. Then buo E minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, then A minor, E minor, A minor. Then pa, kantahin natin. Lalaro ang aking isip. Okay, down, up, 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 down, up. Pero kung kaya, or ganito. Pwedeng lagyan, pwede rin hindi. Okay, so kaya nabala. So yun ulit guys, short tutorial lang ito kasi 4 chords lang ginamit natin. Pero sa tingin ko merong mga part na G, A minor 7, E minor na A minor 7 eh. Pero this time pinasimple natin, 4 chords lang bungkada. Kaya nabala mag-timing guys, ulit-ulitin nyo lang. Simple version na ito, 4 chords lang. See you sa next na upload natin ng video tutorial. Bye bye guys. Nalaro ang aking